In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix thumbnails preview not show on Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your control panel. So here at the button search bar, please type for panel. Once you've typed that, please wait until you'll get to see a best match, okay, which is the control panel system before we continue. So once it's here, please click on the open option aligning to it or here at the right side, okay, and in a few moments you'll be able to bring up the control panel window. So once you are here, you need to change the view first. Go with view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, you need to locate for File Explorer options, which is in my case it is being placed here at the fifth column next to date and time. So click on that one. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open the small window called File Explorer options, where here it is being composed of three sections. Please proceed with View, and under the View, you can see there always show icons, never thumbnails. So it is very crucial to uncheck this one. So once you have done checked it, click on Apply and then OK, then close the window. The moment you click on it, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay, you would be able to show the thumbnails preview this time. Okay, now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.